All right, we've got some bearish price action on gold that could indicate at least a temporary top. But before we go further, a quick word from our sponsor. This video is brought to you by Exodus, the world's largest retail broker offering ultra-fast execution with no overnight fees. Find a link in the description below. This is Bruce for FXEmpire taking a look at the daily chart for gold. So we put in a new record high yesterday, high for the week, 2,956. And then you can see we had a sharp sell-off today that reached a 6-day low of 2,888 before support was seen. The lower boundary line of this bull pennant was broken, and we could say with some degree of confidence at this point that this is a failed bull breakout. Here is a failed bull breakout. That puts lower prices at risk, or certainly some consolidation or choppiness before gold may be ready to go higher. Key support is at this interim swing low here at 2,877, combined with the 20 moving average at 2,881. This is a key near-term trend indicator because it defines dynamic support of this accelerated advance here. It's certainly possible that the angle of ascent changes with a lower slope in a correction, and that correction would be indicated on a drop below that 20 moving average and a continuation of that weakness. This weekly high here, this is also a weekly low, and this is also a weekly low right here. So importantly, we have a clear uptrend on the weekly time frame of higher weekly highs, higher weekly lows, including this week, because yesterday was a new high. And the low is still higher than last week's low. It may not end that way, but that's what we're looking at right now. So any kind of change in that pattern is going to be a change in the longer term pattern. We'll have to see what happens, and we can assess it at that point. So a drop. So we have this weekly low last week support at 2,878. Then the 3-week low at 2,853. A drop below that could see gold test this previous high at 2,070.90 as support, and certainly this lower zone right here around 2,000. Sorry, let me go 2,725 or so. On the upside, I don't know how much I would trust a breakout at this point, but nevertheless, we have some upside targets that are nearby, but let's see what happens next first. All right, that is it for gold traders. Have a great week.